what just came in. Look at that loveliness. That is the Mega Box from My Aquarium Box. Are y'all ready to open it up and see what's inside? All right, here he is. The box is right here in front of me. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This is for me for later. Wait a minute.
Epic fail.
There we go.
Oh.
Wasn't squeezing hard enough. A lot of little things? No. One very awesome big thing.
Yes.
This is MagnaFlow 220 canister filter. It comes with the canister lid, stack and flow filter trays, quick prime button, valve block for quick release. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what this is for, and all I know is it's a filter to help clean the water, but I don't know what. Oh, let's see, look. Filters 220 gallons per hour for up to 55-gallon aquariums. I have a feeling this is gonna go on one of his 40s because 90 is higher than 55. I don't know. This fish thing is his thing. But it's heavy, very, very heavy. And this is what I won with my unboxing video for my aquarium box. So when you subscribe to my aquarium box, make sure you post a video on YouTube. I can't remember what the hashtag is. I think the hashtag is My Aquarium Box Unboxing. I'm not sure. Go to their website and they'll tell you, because they have a contest every month and you can win something awesome. So that's all. Pretty cool, right? Wish it was some craft stuff for me.
And as always.
Oh, and as always, subscribe, hit the like button, and you can comment on how awesome my videos are instead of Chris. See you later.